Dear children, now let us solve the questions of the chapter Surface Areas and Volumes from the question paper, from the Model Question Paper 2025-26, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you take the first model question paper. The first question is, the circumference of the base of a cylinder is 10 cm and its height is 25 cm. Find the curved surface area. Find its curved surface area. Circumference of the base of the cylinder is given, that is 2 pi r. 2 pi r equals 10 cm and height is given, height equals 25 cm. You know the formula to find the CSA of cylinder. CSA means curved surface area of cylinder equals 2 pi r h. 2 pi r is given, that is 10 cm. H is given 25 cm. 10 into 25 is 250 cm square. That is the CSA of the cylinder with the circumference 2 pi r equals 10 cm and height h equals 25 cm. Then you take the second question. In the figure, cone with radius r and slant height L is mounted on the hemisphere with radius r. Write the formula to find the total surface area of the solid. Here, cone with radius r and slant height L is mounted on a hemisphere with radius r. We have to write the formula for the total surface area of the solid. We know the formula to find the CSA of the hemisphere. CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square and formula to find the CSA of cone, CSA of a cone is pi r L. Therefore, CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder becomes the total surface area of the solid. Write TSA of solid equals CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cone equals CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. CSA of cone is pi r L. Here r is same for both. Therefore, you can remove common. Pi r common. Then here what is remaining? 2 r is remaining. Plus here pi r is outside, what is remaining? L is remaining. So you got TSA of the solid is equals to pi r into 2r plus L or L plus 2r. Pi r into L plus 2r. If you take cone first, it becomes pi r into L plus 2r. Then you take the next question. Third question. A hollow solid is made by placing a cylinder on an inverted cone as shown in the figure. The radius of the cylinder is and cone are 7 cm and their heights are 12 cm and 9 cm respectively. The solid is filled with water up to the height of 2 by 3rd the height of the cylinder. Find the amount of water in the solid. Calculate the amount of water required to fill the solid completely. To find the amount of water in the solid. Here, the cylinder is not completely filled with water. 2 by 3 part of the cylinder is filled with the water. Therefore, we have to take the height 2 by 3 of the height 12 cm. Therefore, for water portion in the cylinder, we take for water portion in the cylinder, H equals 2 by 3 into 12, 3 ones are 3 fours are, which is equals to 8 centimeter. Then you write for cone H equals 9 centimeter. Here given H equals 9 centimeter. And for both R same, that is R is equals to 7 centimeter. Now here heights are different for cylinder and cone. Then you take them as H1 and H2. H1 and H2. Then you write the formula for the volume of the water inside the solid. Write volume of water inside the solid equals volume of cylindrical portion part plus volume of cone. Then write the formula for the volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi into r square h plus volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here r are same but h are different, so you take h1 and h2. Then remove common, pi r square common, and h1 plus 1 by 3 h2. Here pi r square outside. In the bracket you write h1 plus 1 by 3 h2. Write the values. Here pi value is 22 by 7. R value is 7 into 7, 2 times. H1 is 8, H2 is 9. 8 plus 1 by 3, H2 is 9. Cancel 7, 7. 22 into 7. 22 into 7. 7 2s are 14. 1 carry. 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 15. 154. 22 into 7 is 154. Then write 8 as it is plus 3 ones are 3 3s are 3 you got. Then 154, 8 plus 3, 11. 154 into 11, 11 4s are 44, 4 carry. 11 5s are 55 plus 4, 59, 5 carry. 11 5s are 11 ones are 11 plus 5, 16. Got 1694 cm cube volume of the water in the solid up to the 2 by 3 part of the cylinder. Next here, amount of water required to fill it completely. Amount of water required to fill it completely. That is, we have to find the remaining portion, volume of the remaining portion, and it is 1 by 3 part. 1 by 3, 12. That is H is equals to 3 ones are 3 fours are 4 you will get. That is the amount of water required. Take for remaining portion, for remaining empty portion, R is same, R equals 7 centimeter, and H becomes 1 by 3 part. That is the remaining part, means you can subtract 9 from 12, or you can have 1 by 3 into 12. Next, we have to find the amount of water required to fill it completely. To find the amount of water, fill it completely, you need the volume of the remaining portion of the cylinder. For the remaining portion, H equals complete 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8. Up to this portion is 8. 12 minus 8 becomes up to this portion 4. You take H equals 4, R equals same, that is 7 centimeter, and find the volume of the empty portion. Then you write volume. To find volume of remaining part of cylinder, to find volume of remaining part, R equals same, that is 7 centimeter. H equals 12 minus 8 equals 4 centimeter. Then you write the formula. Volume of cylinder equals pi into R square into H. Pi is 22 by 7. R is same, that is 7 into 7. H is 4. Equals, cancel 7 and 7. 22 7s. Again you will get 154 into 4. 4 4s 16. 4 5s 20 plus 1, 21. 4 1s 4 plus 2, 6. 616 cm cube. That is the amount of water required to fill it completely. Right. Amount of water required to fill it completely. Equals 616 cm cube. Question number 4. A vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is 8 cm and the radius is 5 cm. The vessel is filled with water up to the brim, and when 100 lead shots of same size are dropped in it, 1/4 of the water from the vessel flows out. Find the radius and volume of each lead shot. Here given that there is a cone whose height is 8 centimeter and the radius is 5 centimeter, and it is filled with water. When 100 lead shots of same size are dropped in it, 1/4 the volume of the water comes out. Means the volume of 100 lead shots equals the volume of water comes out, which is equals to 1/4 the volume of the cone. Here we have to find the volume of cone, and its 1/4 means that is the volume of water comes out, and that is the volume of the 100 lead shots. You will get the 100 lead shots is equals to the 1/4 of the volume of the water comes out. Then we have to find the volume of each lead shot dividing the total volume, that is the dividing volume of 100 lead shot by 100. And after getting the volume of one lead shot by using the formula for the volume of the sphere, 4/3 5r cube equals volume, and we have to find the radius. Then you write for cone equals R equals, what is the radius? R equals 5 centimeter and H equals 8 centimeter. To find the volume, R and H are enough. Then let us find the volume of cone first. Write the formula for the volume of cone. Volume of cone equals 1 by 3 pi r square h, that equals 1 by, write 5 as it is. R is 5 into 5 into h is 8. Here you write 5 into 5 into 8 pi by 3. That is the volume of the cone. Here you write 5 as it is, because by using the formula for the volume of the sphere, you can cancel the 5 in the LHS and RHS. So you write it as it is. Next, volume of the water displaced is equals to the volume of the 100 lead shot. You write volume of 100 lead shots equals volume of water comes out. How much water comes out? That is 1 by 4 part of the volume of the cone comes out. So volume of water comes out equals 1 by 4 into volume of cone, which is equals to 5 into 5 into 8 into 5 by 3. Then you can cancel 4 1s are 4 2s are 5 5s are 20, 20 2s are 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50, 50 pi by 3. That is the volume of 100 lead shot. Then volume of 1 lead shot. Volume of each lead shot equal 55 by 3, 55 by 3 by 100. That equals 55 by 3 into 1 by 100. You will get 51s are 52s are 5 1s are 5. 5 is remaining in the numerator. 3 2s are 6. It is the volume of each lead shot. Write the formula for volume of each lead shot. Volume of sphere formula we have to write. Volume of sphere, because lead shot is in the form of sphere. Volume of sphere equals, what is the formula for the volume of sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube equals pi by 6. You can cancel pi pi. Then r cube equals, r cube equals 1 by 6 into 3 by 4. Then you can take r cube equals 3 1s are 3 2s are 1 by 8. Then r cube equals 1 by 8 is the cube of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole cube. So you got r equals 1 by 2. Or otherwise you can write, r equals cube root of 1 by 8 also you can take. Cube root of 1 by 8 is 1 by 2. So you got the radius of lead shot is equals to 1 by 2 centimeter, which is also equals to 0.5 centimeter. Then we have to find the volume of each lead shot. Here you got volume of each lead shot equals pi by 6. Find it. Volume of each lead shot equal pi by 6 equal equals 22 by 7 by 6. 22 by 7 into 1 by 6 equals 11s are 2 3s are, you got 11 by 21 cm cube. Without writing the formula, here you got it pi by 6. Volume of each lead shot you got directly pi by 6. Then you can write pi by 6 only. Otherwise you can use the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube again and substitute the values of pi and r to get the same answer, 11 by 21 cm cube. But here you got the volume of each lead shot which is equals to pi by 6. If you put the value of pi in this relation, directly you will get the volume of lead shot, that is 11 by 21. Now let us take model question number 2. First question, two cubes each having volume of 64 cm cube are joined end to end to form a cuboid. The measure of the longest side of the cuboid is. Here said that two cubes are joined. What is the volume of each cube? Volume of each cube is 60 cm cube. Two cubes, if you take the cube, two cubes are joined. If two cubes are joined, the edges of the cube becomes the edges of the cuboid. Here the length becomes L plus L and breadth becomes same, that is the same as the edge of the cube, and height also remains same. Here if A is the edge of the cube, then L equals A plus A, that is 2A, and B is also equals to A, H is also equals A. So here you find the value of A. Volume of cube equals A cube equals 64, then A cube equals 4 cube, so we will get A equals 4. A equals 4, that is the cube root of 64 is 4. Then this is L plus L, means L is equals to 4 plus 4, 8 you will get. B is also equals to A, that is 4. H is also equals 4. Then the longest side becomes 8 centimeter. Longest side of the cuboid is 8 centimeter. Only one side edge becomes the length becomes double of the edge of the cube, and the remaining breadth and height remains same, 4 and 4. The length becomes 8 centimeter. So option B is the answer. Longest side is twice the length of the edge of the cube, which is equals to 8 centimeter. If the volume of the cube is 27 cm cube, then L becomes cube root of 27, 3 plus 3 equals 6, and B and H becomes 3 only. If the volume of the cube is 125 centimeter cube, then the length of the cuboid becomes the cube root of 125 is 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. The remaining breadth and height remains 5 centimeter only. Means in this case we have to find the cube root of the given number, and the length becomes double of that cube root, and the breadth and height becomes same as the cube root of given number here. So here L plus L, that is 4 plus 4, which is equals to 8 centimeter, is the longest side of the cuboid. Then you take the question number 2. The area of the base of a cylinder is 38.5 cm square and its height is 10 centimeter. Find its volume. Here area of the base is given, that is 5r square. 5r square equals 38.5 cm square. and height is given h. H equals 10 centimeter. Then volume of cylinder is equals to what? 5r square h, which is equals to 38.5 into 10 equals 385 cm cube. The volume of the cylinder with the area of base 38.5 cm square and height 10 centimeter. If the area of the base of the cylinder is given and height is given, the product of that base area and height becomes the volume. 5r square is the base area and h is the height. Product of these two becomes the volume of the cylinder. Question number 3. From a wooden cylinder of height 18 cm and base diameter 7 cm, a hemisphere and a cone having the same radius as that of the cylinder are carved out as shown in the figure. If the height of the cone is 12 cm, then find the cost of painting the solid formed at the rate of rupees 2.50 per cm square. Here cylinder is given. Out of that cylinder, upper portion is carved out in the form of cone and the lower portion is carved out in the form of hemisphere. For all the shapes, radius is same. Height of the cylinder is given 18 cm and height of the cone is given, that is 12 cm, and diameter is given. Half of the diameter 7/2 is the radius. Here what we have to find out? We have to find the cost of painting. Means total surface area of the complete solid is to be find out first. Total surface area becomes CSA of the cylinder, that is the outer surface, and inside there is a conical shape in the upper portion. The CSA of the conical shape is to be painted, and in the bottom hemispherical portion is carved out. We have to paint the CSA of the hemisphere. So the total surface area of the solid is equals to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere, and the total surface area is to be multiplied by 2.50 to find the total cost of painting. Here 3 shapes are there, right? Cylinder, or you write hemisphere, cylinder, cone. Hemisphere r equals 7/2, which is equals to 3.5. For cylinder also r equals same, 7/2 equals 3.5 centimeter, and for cone also r equals 7/2, which is equals to 3.5 centimeter. Then for cylinder h, height of the cylinder is equals to, what is the height of the cylinder? Height of the cylinder is given 18 centimeter, right? 18 centimeter. And for cone, height is given 12 centimeter. To find CSA of cone, we need L. So you write L equals question mark. Then what is the formula to find the slant height? You know the relation among L, R, H. Then L is equals to root h square plus r square, which is equals to h is 12 square, r square plus 3.5 whole square. Better to take 7/2 whole square, it becomes easy for you. 7/2 whole square equals 12 square. 12 square is 144. 7/2 whole square is 49/4 equals, here you take the LCM. LCM is 4 and 144 must be multiplied by 4 because here the denominator is 1. So 1 4s are 4 and 144 4s are. 144 into 4 is 4 4s are 16, 1, 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17, 4 1s are 4 plus 5, 5 you will get 576 plus, write this 49 as it is because the denominator is 4 only, which is equals to the LCM. Then plus 49, 6 plus 9, 15, 7 plus 5, 12, 625. You got whole root 625 by 4. The root of 625 is 25. Root of 4 is 2, which is equals to 12.5 centimeter. 25 by 2 is 12.5 centimeter. Then write the formula for the CSA of hemisphere, CSA of cylinder and CSA of cone. Then write TSA of solid equals TSA of solid equals CSA of cylinder. You write first one, the bottom CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone equals CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square plus CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. CSA of cone is pi RL. Then write pi common is there and r is there, here r square is there. Then you can remove pi r common. Pi r into, here what is remaining? 2r. 2r plus here pi r is outside, what is remaining? 2h plus pi r is outside, L equals pi value is 22 by 7. 22 by 7. R value is, you can write 7 by 2. 2r, again 2 into 7 by 2 plus 2h. H of the cylinder is 18 centimeter. Plus L is slant height of the cone, 12.5 centimeter. Can cancel 7 7, 2 1s are 2 11s are, you got 11 here. Then cancel 2 2, you will get 7 here. 2 18s are 36 plus 12.5. Then 11 into 36 plus 7 is 43. 43 plus 12 is 55.5. The sum of these three is 55.5. Then you multiply 55.5 by 11. 11 5s are 55. 5 carry. 11 5s are 55 plus 60. 11 5s are 55 plus 6. 61. Here the decimal point is after one digit. Put point here. So you got 610.5 cm square. That is the total surface area of the solid. Next, total cost of painting. Total cost of painting. Total cost of painting equals 2.50 into 610 point multiply 610.5 by 25. 25 5 is a 125 and 25 zeros are 0 plus 12 12 again 25 ones are 25 plus 1 26 to carry 25 6 are 150 150 plus 2 is 152. Here put 0 here, again you put 0 and the decimal point is here 2 plus 1 3 digit 1 2 3, so you will get 1526.25 rupees. 1526.25 rupees. That is the total cost of painting the surface area of the solid. Question number 4. A solid toy is made by joining a right circular cone of height 12 cm to a hemisphere of base radius 3.5 cm. The toy is immersed in a cylindrical glass vessel completely filled with water as shown in the figure. If the diameter of the cylinder is 14 cm and the height of the cylinder is equal to the height of the toy, then find the volume of water left in the cylinder and also find the total surface area of the toy. Here given that toy is there inside the cylinder and that cylinder was filled with the water, and you know that the water comes out. The cylinder, the toy occupies the place of water and that much volume of water comes out. And here what we have to find out? We have to find the volume of water left in the cylinder. Means that is nothing but the volume of the cylinder minus volume of the toy. Then also we have to find the TSA of the surface area of the total surface area of the toy. Here three shapes are there. First one is cylinder. Next hemisphere and cone. Hemisphere, cone. Then what is the radius of the cylinder? Radius of the cylinder is R equals, here totally 14 is there, 14 by 2. The diameter is 14 centimeter. Its half is radius. 14 by 2 equals 7 centimeter. And for hemisphere, radius is given. What is the radius of the hemisphere? Radius of the hemisphere is 3.5 centimeter. R equals 3.5 centimeter. And the cone is also having same radius. R equals 3.5 centimeter. And height of the cone is given. H equals 12 centimeter. To find CSA, L is required. Write L equals question mark. Then write the relation among L, H and R. L equals H square plus R square. That equals H is given here. What is H? H is 12. 12 square. R is 3.5 whole square. Better to write 3.5 is nothing but 7 by 2. 12 square is 144 and it is 12 by 2 whole square. If you take 12 by 2, it becomes easy for you. Otherwise, you must use division method to find the square root. Again, 144 plus 7 by 2 whole square is 49 by 4. Again, you take the LCM. LCM is 4. Here it is by 1 means you must multiply 144 and 4. 144 into 4. 4 4 is 16 plus 1. 4 4 is 16 plus 1 is 7. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. You will get 5. 576 plus 49. It must be whole root. That equals whole root. 576 plus 49. You got it 625. 9 plus 6 15. 5 plus 1 6. Then write 625 by 4. Square root of 625 4. Square root of 625 is 25. Square root of 4 is 2. 25 by 2, which is equals to 12.5 centimeter. To find the volume of water left in the cylinder, first let us find the volume of the cylinder. Next, let us find the volume of the toy which is immersed in the water. Write the formula for the volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder equals pi r square h equals pi value is 22 by 7. R is the radius of the cylinder equals 7 centimeter. 7 into 7. Height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder is 12 plus radius of the height of the cylinder is 12 plus radius of the hemisphere, which is equals to 3.5 centimeter. 12 plus 3.5, which is equal 22 sevens are 7 twos are 14. 1 carry. 7 twos are 14 plus 1 15. 154 into 15.5. 154 into 15.5. 5 fours are 20. 2 carry. 5 fives are 25 plus 2 27. 2 carry. 5 ones are 5 plus 2 7. Plus again 5 into 154 is 770 only. Plus, put plus here. 1s are 154 ones are 154. 0 7 7 plus 7 14. 14 plus 4 18. 7 plus 5 12. 12 plus 1 13. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2. 2387.0. So here you got 2387 cm cube is the volume of cylinder. Next we have to find the volume of toy. Volume of toy is the sum of the volume of the cone and volume of the hemisphere. Then you write volume of toy equals volume of cone. Here cone is there, hemisphere is there. You can write volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere, or volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. Volume of volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. For both radius is same. Radius is 3.5, 3.5. Therefore, first you write the formula. Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube plus volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here r is same, so you can remove pi r square outside. Also you can have 1 by 3. 2 by 3 is there, 1 by 3 is there. You can have 1 by 3 common. 1 by 3 pi r square outside. In the bracket, here what is remaining? 2 is remaining. 2 into 1 by 3 is 2 by 3, 2. And r cube is there, here r square is there, r is remaining, 2r. Plus here 1 by 3 is outside, 5r square is outside, h you can write. 2r plus h equals 1 by 3 into pi value is 22 by 7. R value is 3.5. 3.5. R square is there. You take 3.5 2 times into 2r. 2r is 2 into 3.5 plus h. H is the height of the cone. Height of the cone is 12. Then you write 7 ones are 7.5 is. Then write 3 as it is. 22 into 5. 22 into 5 is 11. 22 into 5 is 110. 22 into 0.5 is 11. You know, 2 5s are 10. 1, 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11, 11.0, which is equals to 11. 22 into 5 is 110, 110. 22 into 0.5 is 11 into 3.5. Then 2 into 3.5 is 7. 35 2s are 70. 3.2s are 7 plus 12. Then find the product of these two. 11 into 3.5. 11 into 3.5. 11 5s are 55. 5 carry. 11 3s are 33 plus 5, 38. So 38.5 by 3 into 7 plus 12 is 19. Then 38.5 into 19. 38.5 into 19. 19 5s are 95. 9 carry. 19 8s are 152. 152 plus 9 is 161. Then you write 1 carry here and 16. Then 19 3s are 57. 57 plus 6 is 63 plus 73. 731.5. So you got 731.5 by this 3. The product of these two is this one. Divided by 3. Then you divide 731.5 by 3. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 3. 3 4s are 12. 1 is remaining. Again you take this one down. 11. 3 3s are 9. 2 is remaining. And here we are taking the numbers digit from the after the decimal point. So you put point here. Take 5 down. Then 3 8s are 24. 25 minus 24 is 1. So you got 243.8. 243.8. One more digit you can take. 3 3s are 9. That is equals to 243.83 cm cube is the volume of the toy. Then to find the volume of water left in the cylinder, we have to subtract the volume of toy by volume of cylinder. Then you write volume of water left in the cylinder equals volume of cylinder minus volume of toy equals volume of cylinder is 2387 cm cube. Right, 2387 minus volume of toy is 243.83. 243.83 cm cube. Then you subtract 243.83 by 2387. 2387 minus 243.83, that is 0.00, by 10 minus 3 is 7. Here 9 minus 8, 1. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. 8 minus 4, 4. Again 3 minus 2, 1. Then 2. 2143.17 cm cube is the volume of water left in the cylinder. Then you write here volume of water left in the cylinder is equals to, then you write equals 2143.17 cm cube. That is the volume of the water left in the cylinder. Next we have to find out the total surface area of the toy. Total surface area of the toy, which is a combination of cone and hemisphere. Then total surface area of the toy is equals to what? CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. Then you write total surface area of the toy equals total surface area of the toy equals CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. Plus CSA of hemisphere. CSA of cone is pi RL, pi into R into L, plus CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi R square. Then you can remove common. Pi R is there, 2 pi is there. Remove pi R common. Here what is remaining? L. Here 2R. L plus 2R. That equals pi is 22 by 7. R is 3.5. L is the slant height of the cone. Slant height of the cone you got 12.5. 12.5 plus 2R, 2 into 3.5 equals 7 ones are 7, 0.5 is again 22 into 0.5 is 11. Then you write this 12.5 plus 2 into 3.5 is 7. equals 11 into 12 plus 7 is 19.5. Then 19.5 into 11. 11 5s are 55. 5 carry. 11 9s are 99 plus 504. 11 ends are 11 plus 10 is 21. Here the decimal point is after one digit. In the product also the decimal point is after one digit, that is 0.5. Then you write 214.5 cm square. That is the TSA of the toy. TSA of the toy equals 214.5 cm square. Now let us take model question paper 3. First question, the formula to find the volume V of sphere of radius R units. Here R is the radius of the sphere. Formula to find the volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. Here option A 2 pi r square cube is there. It is not the answer. Option B is there. V equals 4 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. This becomes the answer. Option C is actually 3 pi r cube cubic units. So what is the answer? Option B is the answer. Then you take the second question. A rectangular sheet of paper 40 cm into 22 cm is rolled to form a hollow cylinder of height 40 cm. Find the radius of the cylinder. Here rectangular sheet of 40 cm into 22 cm is rolled to form a hollow cylinder of height 40 cm. Means this becomes height and this must becomes the base 2 pi r. So you can have 2 pi r equals 22. 2 pi r equals 22. Then it is 2 into pi value is 22 by 7 into r equals 22. You can cancel this 2. Then r is equals to, here you got what is remaining 1s are 1 into 7 comes to the numerator of RHS and 2 comes to the denominator of RHS. Then you will get r equals 7 by 2, which is equals to 3.5 centimeter. Here 40 centimeter becomes the height. So the base becomes 22 centimeter. Base is in the form of circle. 22 centimeter becomes the circumference of the circle. So here if a rectangular sheet is rolled out, this 22 centimeter becomes base and this 40 centimeter becomes height. Then this becomes the circumference of the cylinder. You will get this becomes the circumference. You will get a cylinder and 22 centimeter becomes the circumference. So that is equals to what? 2 pi r. Circumference of the base of the cylinder is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equals to 22 and you will get r equals 7 by 2, which is equals to 3.5 centimeter. Next question 3. Two solid cones of radii equal to the base radius of the cylinder are hollowed out from it as shown in the figure. The ratio of the volumes of cones is 2:1. The diameter and height of the cylinder are 6 cm and 21 cm respectively. Find the height and volume of cones. Also find the volume of the remaining portion of the cylinder after the cones are hollowed out. Here total height of the cylinder is given and the ratio of the volume of the cones is given. V1 by V2 means volume of cone 1 by volume of cone 2 is equals to, write the formula for each, pi, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h, again 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here if you observe here, radius are same. So you can cancel 1 by 3 pi r square and 1 by 3 pi r square. Let us consider this is h1 and this is h2 is equals to what? 2 by 1. You will get h1 by h2 is equals to 2 by 1. Then total height is given. Means we have to distribute this 21 in the ratio 2:1. We must distribute 21 in the ratio 2:1. Then you will get height of both the cones. Here 2 plus 1 equals 3. Then h1 is 2 is there. 2 by 3 into 21. h2 is 1 by 3 into 21. Let two cones are C1 and C2. For cones and cylinder, R must be same, that is R is equals to 6 by 2, which is the diameter of the cylinder. 6 by 2 is equals to 3 centimeter. Then given that V1 by V2. V1 is the volume of the first cone and V2 is the volume of the second cone. Write the formula for both. You know the formula for the volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Again 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here you can cancel 1 by 3, 1 by 3, pi and pi. R is same for both, so you can cancel r square also. Here heights are different. You take h1 by h2. The ratio of the volume is given, that is 2:1, which can be taken as 2 by 1. V1 is 2, V2 means what? 2:1. So here you can take this one. h1 by h2 is given. h1 by h2 you got here, that is 2:1. Then total height means h1 plus h2 equals what? 21. To take that, h equals what? h1 plus h2 equals what? 21 centimeter. Then you take here sum of the ratio. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So for h1 the part is 2. For h2 the part is 1. So you take h1 equals its part 2 and sum of the ratio 3. 2 by 3 into this total height 21, which is equals to 3 ones are 3 sevens are 2 into 7 is equals to what? 14. Height of the first cone is 14 centimeter. Other one you can subtract 14 by 21 or you can have 1 by 3 into 21. That also you can do, or you write h2 equals 21 minus 14, which is equals to 7. So you got 7 is 14 is to 7, which is equals to 2:1. Now you got that for cone C1 R equals same, that is same as the radius of the cylinder, 3 centimeter. R equals 3 centimeter and H equals what? That is H1, which is equals to 14 centimeter. Now find the volume of cone C1. Volume of cone C1 equals, formula is 1 by 3 pi r square H. H can be written as H1 also. That equals 1 by 3 into pi value is 22 by 7. R value is 3 into 3 into H1 is 14. You can cancel 3, 7 ones are 7 twos are 22 into 3 into 2. 22 into 3 into 2 is 6. Then 22 into 3 is 6 twos are 12 and 1 carry. 6 twos are 12 plus 1, 13. 132 cm cube. That is the volume of first cone. Then for cone C2. For cone C2, R is same. R is equals to same, that is 3 centimeter, and H is equals to H2, that is 7 centimeter. 21 minus 14, which is equals to 7 centimeter. Then write the volume of cone C2 equals, same formula, 1 by 3 pi r square H. H can be taken as H2 here. That equals 1 by 3 into pi value is 22 by 7. R value is R square. R value is 3 into 3. H2 is 7. Then you can cancel 7, 3. 22 into 3. 22 into 3 is 66. 66 cm cube. Got the volumes of two cones. Now again we have to find the volume of cylinder minus sum of the volume of these two cones to get the volume of the remaining portion of the cylinder after the cones are hollowed out. So to find that, let us find out the cylinder volume first. Then for cylinder, H and R are given. Write the formula for the volume of the cylinder. Then you write for cylinder R equals same, that is 3 centimeter, and H is the total height. Total height of the cylinder is given 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter. Write the formula for the volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder equals pi r square H equals pi value is 22 by 7. R is same as other two, that is 3 into 3. H is 21. 7 ones are 7 threes are 22 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 threes are 27. Then 22 into 27. 27 twos are 54. 5 carry. Again 27 twos are 54 plus 5. 59. 594 cm cube is the volume of the cylinder. Then the volume of the remaining portion. volume of remaining portion equal what minus what? 594 minus volume of C1 and C2. Here we have to subtract both 132 and 66. Volume of the cones, one cone is 132 cm cube, volume of the other cone is 66. So we have to subtract this two. 594 minus sum of these two is 6 plus 2 8, 3 plus 6 9, and 198 you will get. Here this is minus, this is minus. So as they are having same sign, we have to add these two and we have to put negative sign. Again you subtract 198 by 594. 594 minus 198 is equals to here 14 minus 8 6. 8 is remaining. 18 minus 9 9. Here 4 is remaining. 4 minus 1 3. You got 396 cm cube. That is the volume of the remaining portion of the cylinder after carving out the. Question number 4. A rectangular wooden block has length 40 cm, breadth 30 cm and height 7.5 cm. From this block, a cone of radius 10 cm is drilled out as shown in the figure. Find the volume and surface area of the remaining solid. Here, to find the volume, we have to find the volume of cuboid and volume of the cone which is carved out. So the volume of the remaining solid is the volume of the rectangular block minus the volume of the cone. Next, to find the surface area of the remaining solid, here the total surface area of this rectangular wooden block and the surface area, curved surface area of the curved portion, conical portion, and minus here this part, circular part of the wooden block is not there. We have to subtract it. That is volume of the rectangular block minus volume of the cone becomes the volume of the remaining solid, and surface area is the sum of the surface area of the wooden block plus CSA of cone minus area of circular base of the cone. Now let us write. For wooden block, L equals B equals H equals, you take for wooden block L equals this one 40 centimeter, B equals 30 centimeter, and H equals 7.5 centimeter. And for cone, R equals, the radius is given 10 centimeter and H is given. H is same as the height of the wooden block, which is equals to 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter. Then you write the formula for the volume of the remaining. Here the volume of the remaining solid is equals to volume of wooden block minus volume of cone. Then you write volume of remaining portion equals volume of cuboid, that is a volume of wooden block, cuboidal wooden block is there. So you write volume of cuboid minus volume of cone equals volume of cuboid. The formula to find the volume of cuboid is L into B into H minus volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square H. Here H is common for both. If you want, you can remove that. Otherwise, substitute the values. L into B into H is 40 into 30 into 7.5. 40 into 30 into 7.5 minus 1 by 3 into pi value is 22 by 7 into r. R is the radius, that is 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. 10 into 10. H. H is 7.5 centimeter. Equals 4 into 3, 12, 1200. 40 into 30 is 1200 into 7.5 minus, here 3 ones are 3, 2s are 6, 1 5 is remaining, 3 5s are. Then 22 into 10 is 210, again 10 is 2200. 10 into 10 is 100. 22 into 100 is 2200, that is 2200 into 2.5 by 7 is there, by 7. Then the product of these two, here you take 7.5 into 12. 12 5s are 60, 6 carry. 12 7s are 84 plus 6, 90. You got 900. But here 2 zeros are there. 1200 means 2 zeros. Again you put 2 zeros. Now you take the decimal point. Decimal point is after one digit. So it becomes 9000. 9000.0, which is equals to 9000. Minus the product of these two. 22 into 2.5 divided by 7 we have to do. Here 22 into 2.5, or you take 2 into 25 into 22, that is 2.5. Then 2 into 25 is 50. Again 2 into 25 is 50. You got 550. But here 2 zeros are there. Put 2 zeros. Here also put 2 zeros. And the decimal point is after one digit. So you will get 5500 by 7. 5500 by 7. Then you write this 9000 as it is. 9000 minus, divide 5500 by 7. 5500 by 7. Here you take 55 7 sevens are 49. Here 15 minus 9 is 6. Take this 0. 7 eights are 56. 60 minus 56 is 4. Take this 0. 40. 7 fives are 35. 5. Take point and put 0. 7 sevens are 49. 50 minus 49 1. Put 0. 7 ones are 7. This much is enough. 785.7. Then you subtract 785.7 by 9000. 9000 minus 785.7. Here put 0.0. 10 minus 7 is 3. Here 9 is remaining. 9 minus 5, 4. Here also 9 remaining. 9 minus 8, 1. Here also 9 remaining. 9 minus 7, 2. Here 8 is remaining. 8214.3. You got 8214.3 cm cube is the volume of the remaining solid. Next we have to find out the surface area of the remaining solid. Surface area of the remaining solid is equals to what? That is the TSA of this cubical block, and CSA of cone minus area of this circle part which is taken out. And you know the formula for the total surface area of the cuboid, which is equals to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, and CSA of cone is pi into R into L. Here pi you can take 22 by 7, R also given, but what about L? L is not given. But by using this R and H equals to 7.5 centimeter and R is equals to 10 centimeter, we have to find the L by using L equals root H square plus R square. Then you write for cone R equals same, that is 10 centimeter. H is height of the cuboid is equals to height of the cylinder, which is equals to 7.5 centimeter. L is to be found out. L equals root H square plus R square, or you write R square plus H square equals H is better to express 7.5 as 15 by 2. 7.5 is the half of 15, right? 15 by 2, it becomes easy for you. So write H is 15 by 2. 7.5 is the half of 15. 15 by 2 plus R is 10. 10 square equals whole root 15 square is 15 into 15, which is equals to 225. 2 square is 2 into 2, 4, plus 10 square. 10 square is 100. Now you take the LCM. LCM is 4. Write 225 as it is. plus 100 into 4 is 400 equals 225 plus 400 is 625 by 4. Then root 625 is 25, root 4 is 2. You got L equals 25 by 2. L is equals to 25 by 2. That is equals to, you can write half of 25. 25 by 2 is half of 25. Half of 25 is 12.5 centimeter. Now you write the surface area of the remaining solid. Surface area of remaining solid equal TSA of cuboid plus CSA of cone minus area of circle. Equals TSA of cuboid is, what is the formula for the TSA of cuboid? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. L into B plus B into H plus H into L plus CSA of cone. CSA of cone is pi into R into L minus area of circle is pi R square. Now you write 2 into L into B. Here L into B means 40 into 30. 40 into 30. B into H is 30 into 7.5 plus H into L is 7.5 into 40 plus here 5RL is there, here 5R square is there. You can remove pi R common and here what is remaining? L. L minus R equals 2 into 40 into 30. 4 3s are 12. 2 zeros, 0 0. Plus 30 into 7.5. 7.5 into 3 you take. 3 5s are 15. 1 query. 3 7s are 21 plus 1 22. 22. This 7.5 into 30. So you take 0 on both this side. Then decimal point is after one digit. Take 225.0. So you write 225. The product of these two is 225. Next 7.5 into 40. Take 4 first. 5 4s are 20. 2 common. 2 carry. 4 7s are 28 plus 2 30. This is 7.5 into 40. Take 0 0 here and the decimal point is after one digit. So you take 300.0. Here you take 300. 300.0 is same as 300. You can leave that 0.0. Next plus 5 value is 22 by 7. R is 10. L is the slant height is 12.5 minus 10 equals 2 into sum of these three 1200 plus 225 plus 300. Here 5 and 225 is there. Write 2. 4 plus 3. 2 plus 2 plus 3 is 4 plus 3 7 and 1. 1725. 1725. The sum of these three is 1725. Plus 22 into 10 is 220. 220 by 7. Into 12.5 into 10 is 2.5. Then you can write into 2.5 equals, multiply these two. 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 2 7s are 14, 1 carry, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3, 3450 plus. Here you divide 220 by 7. 220 by 7. 7 3s are 21. 1 is remaining, 1 0. 7 1s are 7. 3 is remaining. Put 0 and take point here. 7 4s are 28. 2 is remaining. 0. 7 2s are 14. 6 is remaining. 7 8s are 56. 4 is remaining. 4 0. 7 5s are 35. 5 carry. Put 0. 7 7s are 49. 1 comes here. So here these digits are recurring. You write it as 31.42857 into 2.5 into 2.5. Find the product of these two. 3142,857 into 25 you take. 5 7s are 35. 3 carry. 5 5s are 25 plus 3, 28. 2 carry. 5 8s are 40 plus 2, 42. 4 carry. 5 2 is a 10 plus 4, 14. 1 carry. 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 21. 2 carry. 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7. 5 3s are 15. Plus 2 7s are 14. 1 carry. 5 2 is a 10 plus 1, 11. 1 carry. 8 2 is a 16 plus 1, 17. 1 carry. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Then 5, 8 plus 4, 12. 1 carry. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. 5 plus 2, 7. 8 plus 7, 15. 5 plus 1 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 6 plus 1, 7. Here the decimal points 2.5 is there and 31 point. Count the number of digits after the decimal point. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 78. Then you write 3450 plus 78 5714. Let us take 5714. 5714. Now add these two numbers. 3450 plus 78.5714, which is equals to, put 0 0 0 0, 0 plus 4, here you will get all same, 5714. 0 plus 8, 8, 5 plus 7, 12, 1 carry, 4 plus 1, 5, 3, 5, 2, 8, 5, 7, 1, 4. That is the surface area of the remaining solid. Here, the surface area of the remaining solid is 3528.5714. 3528.5714 cm square. Model question paper 4. First question, find the volume of a cube of edge 6 cm. You must know the formula for the volume of cube whose edge is given. If the edge is A, then the volume of cube is A cube. Here you have to take 6 cube. Then you write volume of cube equals A cube. Here A equals what? A equals 6 centimeter. 6 cube. 6 cube means 6 into 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are 36 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 3. 6 3 is 18 plus 3 21. So 216 cm cube or cubic centimeter is the volume of a cube of edge 6 centimeter. Question number 2. Find the surface area of sphere of radius 7 centimeter. Then what is the formula to find the surface area of sphere? Surface area of sphere equals 4 pi r square. Here r equals 7 centimeter. Then surface area of sphere equals sphere equals 4 pi r square equals 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Cancel 7 and 7. Here 4 into 22 is 88 into 7 equals 8 7s are 56. Again 8 7s are 56 plus 61. 616 cm square. 616 cm square is the surface area of a sphere of radius 7 centimeter. You must know the formula to find the surface area of the sphere. Surface area of the sphere equals 4 pi r square. Put the value of r and pi to get the surface area. Question number 3. A solid is made by joining a cylinder, a hemisphere and a cone of equal radii as shown in the figure. The height of the cylinder is 6 cm and the total height of the solid is 13 cm. If the volume of the cylinder is 3 times the volume of the hemisphere, then find the volume and surface area of the solid. Here, height of the cylinder is given 6 cm and total height of the solid from here to here is given, that is 13 cm. And next one relation is given. What is that relation? Volume of cylinder is 3 times the volume of the hemisphere. By using that relation, Let us find out the radius of each part. After getting the radius of each part, here you will get this one, and this is already known, and total height is given by subtracting sum of this from 13. You will get the height of the cone. And to find the surface area, you need L, slant height. By using the relation L equals root h square plus r square, you will get the length of the slant height. Here you take this measurement, that is the height of the cylinder. For cylinder, h equals 6 centimeter. Now the relation between the volume of the cylinder and volume of the hemisphere is given. Volume of the cylinder is 3 times the volume of the hemisphere. Take down that relation. Volume of cylinder equals 3 into volume of hemisphere. Then what is the formula for the volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder is pi into r square into h equals 3 into volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Next you write pi, or you can cancel pi here. No need of writing again. Pi cancel, and this 3 cancels. Here you write r square as r into h. H is 6 equals 2 into r cube is r into r into r. R into r into r. Cancel this r. Here 2r. Here r into r. Here also r into r. You can cancel. Then here you got 2r equals 6. 2r equals 6. Interchange LHS and RHS. Then r equals 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are, which is equals to 3 centimeter. Got the radius of each here, because all the 3 parts are having same radius, which is equals to 3 centimeter. Here this is 3. This is also 3, and this height is given, that is 6 centimeter. And height of the cone is equals to what? For cone, h equals total height 13 minus this 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 equals 13 minus 9 equals 4 centimeter. That is the height of the cone. Height of the cone is equals to 4 centimeter. You got here. That is 4, and the radius is 3. Let us find the slant height. Slant height of the cone. What is the formula to get the slant height of the cone? L equals root h square plus r square equals root h is height of the cone 4, right, 4 square plus r is 3 square. Then L equals 4 square is 4 into 4 16 plus 3 square is 3 into 3 9 equals 16 plus 9 is 25. What is the root of 25? Root of 25 is 5. You got L equals 5 centimeter. Now, here we have to find out the volume of the solid and surface area of the solid. Volume of the solid is equals to volume of the hemisphere plus volume of the cylinder plus volume of the cone. Surface area of the solid is CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone. Now let us find volume. Volume of solid equals first one, volume of hemisphere plus volume of cylinder, middle portion, volume of cylinder plus volume of cone, top portion. Then you write the formula for the volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube plus volume of cylinder is pi r square h and volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here height of the cylinder and height of the cone are different. Let us take them h1 and h2. Here height of the cone we have taken as h2 and height of the cylinder is h1. Then you write, here radius are same, you can remove pi r square outside as a common. In the bracket here what is remaining in the first term 2 by 3 r square is outside, here r cube, you must take r, 2 by 3 r plus here 5r square is outside, write h1 plus 1 by 3 5r square is outside, h2 equals, write the value of pi. Pi value is 22 by 7 into r. R is 3. 3 into 3. Next 2 by 3 into r is again 3 plus h1. H1 is the height of the cylinder is 6 centimeter and height of the cone is, here you got 4 centimeter. H1 is 6, H2 is 4, 1 by 3 into 4. Then (22) into 9, or otherwise you write 22 into 3 into 3 as it is, write 7 also as it is, cancel 3 3, here 2 is remaining, write 2 plus 6 plus 1 into 4 4, 4 by 3. Then 22 into 3 into 3 by 7, 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 4 by 3. Then 22 into 3 into 3 by 7, take the LCM, here 8 means 8 by 1, LCM of 1 and 3 is 3, and 8 3s are 24. Plus this 4 equals 22 into 3 into 3 by 7 into 24 plus 4, 28 by 3. Here 7 ones are 7 fours are 3 ones are 3 ones are 22 into 3 is 66 into this 4. 4 6 are 24. 2 carry 4 6 are 24 plus 2 26. 264 cm cube is the volume of the solid. Volume of solid is equals to 264 cm cube. The next, surface area of solid. Surface area of the solid is equals to what? CSA of all. CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone. Right? Surface area of solid equals CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of middle portion cylinder plus CSA of top portion cone equals CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square plus CSA of cylinder 2 pi RH plus CSA of cone pi RL equals, here you can remove phi r as a common. Here 2r is remaining plus here phi r is outside, 2h is remaining plus phi r is outside, L is remaining. Then write the value of pi. Pi value is 22 by 7. R is 3 centimeter. Next 2 into R is 2 into 3 plus 2 into H. H is the height of the cylinder, which is 6 centimeter plus L is the slant height. You got 5 centimeter. Equals 22 into 3 is 66 by 7. 2 3s are 6 plus 2 6 are 12 plus 5. Then 66 by 7 into 6 plus 12 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. 66 into 23. 66 into 23. 3 6 are 18. 1 carry. 3 6 are 18 plus 1, 19. Plus 6 2s are 12. 1 carry. 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13. 8. 9 plus 2, 11. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 3, 5. 1. You got the product of 66 and 23 is 1518. 1518 by 7. Divide 1518 by 7. 7 2s are 14. 1 remaining. 15 minus 14 is 1. Take 1 down. You will get 11 here. 7 1s are 7. 4. 11 minus 7 is 4. Take this 8 down. 7 6s are 42. 48 minus 42 is 6. Here put 0 and take point here. 7 8 is 56. 60 minus 56, 4. Take 0. 7 5 is 35. 40 minus 35 is 5. 50. 7 7 is 49. You got 1 carry. If this much is enough, you take 216.857 cm square is the surface area of the solid. You got the volume is 264 cm cube and the surface area of the solid is 216.857 cm square. Question number 4. A rocket is built by combining hollow cylinder and a cone as shown in the figure. The total height of the rocket is 44 meter and diameter and height of cone are 6 meter and 4 meter respectively. Find the cost of installing heat resistant coating on the outer surface of the rocket at the rate of rupees 10,000 per meter square. Here rocket is a combination of cylinder and cone. Upper portion is conical portion and the bottom portion is cylindrical portion. Total height of the rocket is given, that is 44 meter, and diameter is 6 meter. Diameter of both conical portion and cylindrical portion is 6 meter, and height of the cone is given 4 meter. What we have to find out? We have to find the cost of installing heat resistant coating on the outer surface of the rocket. Means we have to find out the surface area of the rocket, which is the sum of the CSA of cone, curved surface area of the cone, plus CSA of cylinder, curved surface area of the cylinder. Now let us write for both cone and cylinder R equals diameter by 2, which is equals to 6 by 2 equals 3 meter, and for cone H equals 4, and for cylinder R is same and H is 44 minus 4 equals 40. Then you write here for cone or for cylinder, let us write for cylinder diameter by 2, 6 is the diameter, 6 by 2 equals 3 centimeter, and H equals height of the cylinder equals total height minus height of the cone. 44 minus 4 equals 40 meter, not centimeter, you take meter. 40 meter. Then for cone, R is same, R equals 3 centimeter, same as the radius of the cylinder, and H is given, H equals, again you write 3 meter, H equals 4 meter, H is given 4 meter, and L is required here. L is equals to what? Write question mark, then find L. L equals root H square plus R square equals H is 4 and R is 3. 4 square plus 3 square equals 4 square is 4 into 4 16 plus 3 square is 3 into 3 9. Then you got L equals 16 plus 9 root 25 equals 5 meter. You got the slant height of surface area of rocket equals what? CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone. CSA of cone or CSA of cylinder, you can write first CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone equals CSA of cylinder. CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH plus CSA of cone is pi RL. Here pi R is common. Remove that outside. Into here what is remaining? 2H. 2H plus L. Pi value is 22 by 7 into R value is 3 into 2 into H. H is the height of the cylinder, which is 40 meter, plus L. L is the slant height. 5 equals 22 3s are 66 by 7 into 240. 2 into 40 is 80 plus 5. Then 66 by 7 into 85. 66 into 85. 5 6 are 30. 3. 5 6 are 30 plus 3. 33. Plus 6 8s are 48. 4. 6 8s are 48 plus 4. 52. 0, 8 plus 3, 11, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 5. 5, 6, 1, 0 divided by 7. You write 5610 divided by 7. Divide 5610 by 7. 7 8s are 56. 56 minus 56 0. Take 1 down. 1 is smaller than 7. Therefore, put 0 and take this 0. Then 7 1s are 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. Put 0 and point here. 7 4s are 28. 30 minus 28 2. Put 0. 7 2s are 14. 6 0. 7 8s are 56. 4. 7 5s are 35. You will get 0 and 7 7s are 49. You will get 50 minus 49 is 1. You got 801.42857. That is 801.4287 can be taken as 43, approximately 43 m square. Here we have to find the cost of installing heat resistant coating on the outer surface of the rocket at the rate of rupees 10,000 per meter square. Then you write cost of installing heat resistant coating. Heat resistant coating equals 801.43 into 10,000 rupees per meter square multiplied by 10,000 equals, here you will get 80143 0.43 is there. Here after the decimal point 2 digits are there, then you put the decimal point after 2 zeros. So you got 8014300, that is 80,14,300 rupees. 80,14,300 rupees is the cost of installing heat resistant coating.